Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is Harsha from TechFizz, and today we are driving the Kia Seltos to its dealership. Actually, this is a beautiful car. It drives like a dream, and right now I'm just cruising. I'm not using my legs at all. See, I'm just using these buttons to change the speed, and it's just moving up and down. That's great, right? But actually, why we are visiting the dealership today is we have a problem right here. Actually, the car has been sent to second service a week ago, and since then it's having a little bit of trouble while turning on. Let me show you. Actually, when I enter the car and I just press the clutch down, as you can see, there is a manual transmission diesel 1.5 liter. When I set my foot on the clutch and I just try to turn on by clicking on the push start button, it actually kind of stopped. Everything, all the screens, the lights, and everything, even the battery was down. It only started back when I opened and closed the door hardly again. So, as I found out from the dealership, they said that we have updated the ESU to the latest version. So, I think that's a problem with that, and they also said that the problem could be with the key, but I don't think the problem is within the key, because the car is just like 6 months old, and how could a key where the batteries, how could a key's battery drain out in 6 months? Sorry. So let us find out by going to the dealership itself. This is truly a beautiful day to go on a drive. During these quarantines, I didn't get that much chance to go out in this, but I had trips. It was safe and sanitized, okay? Yeah. So there we go. We have the dealership right on the left to us. Let me just slow down and put on some indicators, and I'll see you guys inside the showroom. So let's go.
2 very boring minutes later.
So there's our vehicle. It's in the service bay. They are checking out on the electronics, and hopefully they find the problem. Let's see.
1 hour later.
So apparently the problem was in the ESU update. The recent update had some bugs, and they just cleared it and they reinstalled it. Due to that, all the trip meters, everything were resetted, and all the electronics have gotten resetted. Okay, so let's see how this goes. This ESU has been updated, and now they say that the problem won't be arising again. So let us check it out for a few more days, and I'll let you know how this thing turns out. I mean, does the problem prevail or does it stop? I'll be posting videos about this in my Instagram handle. I mean the page Instagram handle @tech_fizz. I'll leave the links in the description below. Please check there for if the problem prevails or it just ends. Apart from all that, this car was fantastic, fabulous. I was gonna say fantabulous. That was not even a word. Okay, so this car is fantastic and I love it. Aside this, all these software problems, the smart cars, they have problems because it's not like an old car, like we can just open the bonnet and tighten some screws or loosen some belts and it just gets going again. It's completely electronic and we need to visit dealership every time. That's something I don't like about it, but who cares? This car's good, I'm good, I'm driving home. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to TechFizz. See you guys in the next one.